Ever wondered what it takes to be a fitness sensation with over 16 million followers? Let's dive into the world of Kayla Itsines, a dynamo who has revolutionized the fitness landscape. At just 32 years old, Kayla is not just a fitness model, but also a beacon of inspiration for millions around the globe. Her influence in the fitness community is unparalleled, and her methods simply transformative. One such method is her renowned 28-day workout challenge, a program designed to empower women of all fitness levels to gain strength and confidence. The challenge includes a blend of bodyweight resistance sessions, low-intensity steady-state exercises, and essential rest days, all tailored to suit individual needs. So, if you're ready to change your life and unlock your potential, you're in the right place. Stay tuned as we unravel the secrets behind Kayla Itsines' fitness regime. Kayla Itsines' 28-day workout challenge. What's it all about, you ask? Well, brace yourself for a journey that promises to redefine fitness as you know it. This challenge is more than just a sequence of exercises, it's a meticulously designed program that integrates different elements to cultivate a holistic approach to fitness. At the core of this challenge are bodyweight resistance sessions. These sessions target various areas of the body, including the legs, abs, arms, and the total body. The beauty of bodyweight exercises is that they are simple yet highly effective. You don't need any fancy equipment, just your own body and the will to push through. Interspersed with these resistance sessions are days dedicated to low-intensity steady-state exercise, or LISS. This is where you get to choose activities that you enjoy, like walking, biking, or dancing. The key is to maintain a steady, easy pace for 30 to 60 minutes. LISS. Days provide a nice contrast to the intensity of the resistance sessions, giving your body a chance to recover while still staying active. And let's not forget the importance of rest. Yes, you heard that right. Rest. Even within this vigorous 28-day challenge, there's a day set aside for your body to recuperate. After all, fitness isn't about driving yourself to exhaustion, but about fostering a sustainable and balanced approach to health. Each workout session is designed as a circuit, lasting 7 minutes and followed by a 1-minute rest. Now, if you're feeling particularly adventurous, you can level up the workouts by completing each circuit twice. The best part? This challenge is adaptable. It can be tailored to fit individual schedules. So whether you're an early bird who loves to kickstart your day with a workout or someone who prefers to wind down with an evening session, this challenge has got you covered. This challenge isn't just about physical strength, it's about confidence and self-esteem. It's about proving to yourself that you can do it. It's about breaking barriers, pushing boundaries, and ultimately becoming the best version of yourself. So, are you ready to take on the challenge? Scene script. Bodyweight resistance, a powerful tool in Kayla Itsines' fitness toolkit. But what is bodyweight resistance, you ask? Simply put, it's using your own body weight as a tool to build strength and endurance. It's a type of strength training that's as old as humanity itself. No need for fancy gym equipment or expensive machines, all you need is you. Your body is the gym. Kayla Itsines utilizes bodyweight resistance training in her workouts to great effect. She understands the power of using what we already have. Bodyweight exercises can target every muscle group, from your core to your legs, arms, and even those hard-to-reach muscles that conventional gym machines often miss. The benefits of bodyweight resistance training are immense. It's a fantastic way to improve balance, agility, and most importantly, functional strength. This is the kind of strength that makes everyday tasks easier, whether it's carrying groceries, picking up your kids, or climbing stairs. Moreover, it's a form of exercise that's accessible to everyone. Whether you're a fitness novice or an experienced athlete, bodyweight exercises can be modified to suit your fitness level. You can tailor the intensity of the workout by adjusting the speed or the number of repetitions. One day, you might be doing push-ups against a wall, and a few weeks later, you might be doing full push-ups on the floor. That's the beauty of bodyweight resistance. It grows with you, challenging you every step of the way. But perhaps the best thing about bodyweight resistance training is its convenience. You can do it anywhere and at any time. There are no restrictions. Whether you're in your living room, a hotel room, a park, or even at the beach, your workout can come with you. Bodyweight resistance exercises can be done anywhere, anytime. No gym, no problem. Low-intensity steady-state exercise, a key ingredient in Kayla's fitness recipe. Imagine a workout that doesn't leave you gasping for breath, yet still helps you achieve your fitness goals. That's where LISS, or low-intensity steady-state exercise, comes into play. It's a type of cardiovascular workout that involves maintaining a low level of exertion for extended periods. Think of activities like walking, biking, or dancing at an easy pace. It's all about sustaining a comfortable rhythm and enjoying the journey rather than racing to the finish line. So, what's the secret sauce that makes LISS so beneficial? Well, it's an excellent way to boost heart health, improve endurance, and burn fat, all while lowering the risk of injury. It's the workout you can do when you want to take a break from high-intensity routines but still want to stay active. Now, how does Kayla Itsines incorporate LISS into her fitness plan? Well, it's part of her strategy for balance and sustainability. In her 28-day workout challenge, LISS days are interspersed with bodyweight resistance sessions. This combination allows for recovery without completely halting physical activity, promoting a more consistent exercise routine. It's a testament to the fact that fitness isn't always about pushing harder, but rather about finding the right balance. LISS isn't about pushing your boundaries, it's about consistency and endurance. It's about giving your body the space to rejuvenate and adapt. So, the next time you feel like you're on the brink of workout burnout, remember Kayla Itsines' approach. Remember that sometimes slowing down can be just as beneficial as speeding up. After all, fitness is a marathon, not a sprint. Rest days, more than just taking a break. Often overlooked, rest days are a vital component in any fitness routine. Kayla Itsines, renowned fitness trainer, incorporates them into her 28-day challenge, and for good reason. Rest days are not about being lazy or shirking off. Quite the contrary, they are an opportunity for your body to recover, rejuvenate, and rebuild. When we exercise, we put our bodies under stress. This stress is good as it stimulates adaptation and growth. However, the actual growth occurs when we rest. Muscles once broken down during a workout need time to repair and grow stronger. This cannot happen without adequate rest. In addition, rest days help prevent injuries. Overtraining can lead to fatigue and a weakened immune system, making one susceptible to injuries and illnesses. Hence, taking time to rest is not only beneficial, but also crucial to your overall health and well-being. Moreover, rest days can help improve performance. A well-rested body is more likely to perform better than a tired one. This means you'll be able to give your best in the next workout session, making your fitness journey more productive and enjoyable. Rest days are crucial for recovery and growth. Remember, fitness is a marathon, not a sprint. Kayla's 28-day challenge designed to fit your schedule. As we've discovered, this fitness journey is not a one-size-fits-all scenario. It is a flexible program that allows you to adjust and adapt according to your needs. One of the key elements in this program is its adaptability. Whether you are a fitness novice or an experienced gym goer, Kayla's workout challenge has been crafted to accommodate all fitness levels. This means you can adjust the intensity of your workouts, making them as challenging or as manageable as you need. If you're just starting out, you might want to take it slow and steady. If you're more advanced, feel free to ramp up the intensity and push your boundaries. The flexibility of this plan also extends to your daily routine. We all lead busy lives with varying schedules, and finding time to exercise can be a challenge in itself. But with Kayla's program, you have the liberty to fit your workouts around your lifestyle. Whether you are an early bird who prefers to kickstart the day with a workout, or a night owl who likes to wind down with some exercise, the choice is yours. The beauty of this program is that it can be tailored to your unique needs. You can choose the resistance sessions that target the areas of your body you want to work on most, whether it's your legs, abs, arms, or a total body workout. You can also pick your preferred low-intensity, steady-state exercise, whether it's walking, biking, or dancing. Remember, this is not a race, but a journey. It's about making sustainable changes to your lifestyle that will have long-term benefits for your health and well-being. So don't worry about keeping up with anyone else. Focus on what works best for you and your body. In conclusion, Kayla's 28-day challenge is more than just a workout plan. It's a flexible, adaptable lifestyle change that empowers you to take control of your fitness journey. So, whether you're a fitness newbie or a seasoned athlete, this challenge has something for everyone. Remember, the best workout plan is the one that works for you.